dear beloved students and friends. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with prepositions and their correct uses. There are so many words always followed by appropriate prepositions, governed by prepositions. So let us use those words governed by prepositions. Words followed by appropriate prepositions. Words followed by or governed by prepositions. So let us use those words governed by appropriate preposition. Example: absent from and say unfasted. So many students are absent from my class, from my school, or from my class. So many students are absent, unfasted. From. So absent from, say unfasted. According to के अनुसार, according to Dr. Sahab, according to doctor's prescription, or advice, I had to take medicines twice a day. According to, के अनुसार, according to. He cares for his children. He cares for, care करना, ध्यान देना, his children. He cares for his children. Please take care of your health. अपने health का ध्यान दीजिए. Take care of, take care of, governed by of preposition according to. So according, governed by preposition to, followed by preposition to. Absent, now followed by or governed by preposition from. In this way, here you see words governed by preposition. You have been learning the uses of prepositions. You have learned a lot about the types of prepositions. Many prepositions now have been used by me before you to know to learn, to understand. Now, there is no charge. There is no charge against you. आपके अगेंस्ट में अगेंस्ट यू कोई चार्ज नहीं. अगेंस्ट फॉल अगेंस्ट सॉरी चार्ज फॉलोड बाय अगेंस्ट. अगेंस्ट प्रीपोजिशन है तो चार्ज. देयर इज नो चार्ज अगेंस्ट यू. ओके डियर, he has been charged with आरोपित. He has been charged with the theft. चोरी. charged with आरोपित है, उसको आरोपित किया जा चुका है तो charged with theft. आरोपित charged with. She died of died. ये वर्ब है governed by of. She died of cholera. वो cholera से मर गई. My father deals in silk business. मेरे पिताजी सिल्क बिजनेस करते हैं, डील करते हैं. सिल्क deals in silk business. The deals governed by him. Try to deal with your neighbor well. अच्छी तरह से अपने पड़ोसियों से व्यवहार करो. deal with व्यवहार करना. तो deal governed by preposition with. You see here the uses of words always governed by prepositions followed by prepositions. Let us understand the correct uses of these words. Okay, followed by prepositions. Dear students, please devote yourself to your studies. अपने अध्ययन. Devote yourself to. So devote to. Okay, devote followed by to. Devote yourself to your studies. Don't depend on others. दूसरे पर डिपेंड न रहो. डिपेंड फॉलोड बाय ऑन और अपॉन भी आप लगा सकते हैं. डोंट डिपेंड अपॉन अदर्स. तो हियर डिपेंड फॉलोड बाय ऑन, डिपेंड फॉलोड बाय अपॉन, governed by on and upon. In these two sentences you have seen. You are eligible. You are eligible for the post. For the post of teacher. टीचर के पोस्ट के लिए एलिजिबल फॉर. अर्हता, अर्ह हो. एलिजिबल फॉर अर्ह होना मीन्स बिल्कुल सही होना, ठीक होना. और अर्ह एलिजिबल फॉर. एलिजिबल governed by preposition for. So many of human beings, बहुत से लोग, so many of human beings are always, always envious, envious of ईर्ष्या रखने वाला. तो envious here governed by of. So many of human beings, बहुत सारे मनुष्य are always हमेशा होते हैं क्या, envious of their opponents, विरोधियों से बहुत सारे लोगों की दुश्मनी ठनी जाती है. ऑफ देयर अपोनेंट्स, जबकि होना नहीं चाहिए. ठीक है. envious of, envious governed by of, preposition here of. I am very faithful to you, I am very faithful to, मैं बड़ा ही faithful हूँ, वफादार हूँ. I am very faithful to you, to you. Faithful governed by to, faithful to. I am very thankful to you, thankful, thankful to you. Here you say thankful, thankful governed by preposition to. आप देख रहे हैं you dear. Now look at the sentences, uses of the sentences, and from these sentences now try to learn how to use appropriate prepositions along after words. So here you see we should act upon, we should act upon his advice, उसके एडवाइस के अनुसार हम काम करेंगे. तो act upon, act followed by upon, act upon, act upon means के अनुसार, act upon means के अनुसार. He was accused of murder. Murder से accused of, दोषारोपित. Accused followed by of, governed by of. I agree with you, मैं आपसे सहमत हूँ. agree with, agree followed by, governed by with. agree, yeah, just I agree to, सहमत, to your proposal, प्रस्ताव, आपके प्रस्ताव से मैं सहमत हूँ. प्रस्ताव है, अगर वस्तु है, in case anything, तो agree to be used. And if person, first, second, third person, etc., human being, etc., agree with, सहमत. जब व्यक्ति हो तो agree with, और यदि वस्तु है तो other than व्यक्ति तो agree to. Agree here followed by with, and agree here governed by to. So here you are seeing, you are looking at the words followed by, governed by prepositions. One by one I would like to apply for the post, apply for the post in which you are much more interested. उस पद के लिए अप्लाई करिए जिसमें आप बहुत इंटरेस्ट है लेते हैं. अप्लाई फॉर, के लिए आवेदन करना. अप्लाई गवर्न बाई फॉर, अप्लाई फॉर. I have applied. I have applied to the principal. I have applied to the principal for 3 days leave. 3 day leave. 3 दिन छुट्टी के लिए. So here you see applied to Pope. Applied to principal Pope. Here applied followed by to. Here apply governed by for. You see just here. My father is to arrive. My father is to arrive at the railway station at around 7 AM. 7 बजे मेरे पिताजी स्टेशन पर पहुंचने वाले हैं. Is to arrive या is about to arrive. You can say is about to arrive. तो arrive governed by at. Okay, preposition at. Arrive at. I am ashamed. Ashamed governed by of. शर्मिंदा. I am ashamed of your misconduct. दुर्व्यवहार के चलते मुझे बड़ी शर्म है आप पर. Misconduct. Ashamed of. Ashamed governed by of. Ashamed of. Yes dear. Further. Now, uses of a preposition. I believe in myself. Believe in myself. Believe governed by in. Believe in myself. मैं अपने आप में विश्वास करता हूँ. Okay. She is blind governed by of. So she is blind of the right eye. दाहिनी आंख से she is blind of. से अंधी. blind governed by of. दाहिनी आंख से अंधी है. He is blind. तो ये कहीं आंख से अंधी है. But he is blind to his fault. वो अपनी गलतियों के लिए बिल्कुल अखमुना है, अंधा है. Blind governed by to. तो blind here governed by of. Blind here governed by to. You see here. He is born of the rich family, rich parents. धनाढ्य माता पिता से. born of पैदा हुआ. born governed by of. Okay dear, these are the words, etc. There are so many other words. Okay, etc. There are other so many words always governed by appropriate preposition. Words governed by appropriate prepositions followed by appropriate prepositions. There are so many. Now, wish you all the best and brightest. Thank you.